Hello, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. Love saying things since 1968. Rock and roll. Woo! I'm in a great mood today. I hope you're in a great mood. I hope you're having a great day. If you're not, then turn it around. Choose to have a different day. You can start your day over anytime you want. That's a beautiful thing about days. And today, I'm going to ask you to like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I'm getting close to 1,400 subscribers, which is fantastic. And as soon as I do, I'm going to do another giveaway. And right now, I have a giveaway going for 1,300 subscribers. So I'm just growing like a weed, y'all. So look forward to that giveaway. And I'll be drawing the giveaway for the 1,300 subscribers on Friday morning, 6 a.m. and posting it online for the winner later on that day. Today, we are unboxing my IPSY Glam Bag Plus. And I went through and wrote down the prices for all the items because they do not include a price card. You can't fake this opening. And here I have my bag of goodies. And this bag is really super cute. I'm really loving this bag. And I have one add-on in here. But this is looking pretty good. Even though I know what's in here. It's always different to see it online or, you know, in your email. But when you actually get it in person is when you really get excited to have the things. And so I don't have a card that describes everything. So I'll just do my best and wing it. Wing it. Bad pun. Anyway, forgive me. But the first thing I've drawn out is Naked. Oh my. Naked Cosmetics, and this is, it says it's not, if it's not naked, it's not natural. This is good for 36 months. It's a long time. And what this is a bunch of pigmented, it's a stack of pigment, bunch of pigments, and they are really pretty, and they're great, neutral, everyday kind of colors. A lot of people are kind of afraid to use pigments because they're afraid they're going to get everywhere. If you use just if you just use the lid of the pigment, it's going to have plenty on there to do almost any kind of eye look, so you don't have to worry about dipping into the big pot. Or if you need more, you just flip it back upside down, then you have more on the lid, and then it's a lot more manageable to use. And I had to look up the prices, and we're going to keep tally of how much everything is worth, and this is worth $40. So that is nice. I don't personally need another set of neutral things, but this will be great for a giveaway. And you guys know I love to do a giveaway. Next up is the Beau Gachis. These look really nice. Brushes. I'm going to open. I don't need more brushes. But these look nice. I'm going to open them and see what they feel like. I've never heard of this brand before, but that doesn't mean anything. Feels so soft. Oh my gosh, that would be a great little shader blender. That feels really nice. And then there's like 5 brushes in here. I'm not gonna take them all out, but I love this kind of a packing brush, and this is really soft. It must be pretty good quality. You know, you just never know with brushes, especially if you haven't heard of them. But these seem very nice. So really cool. And this is the $30 brush set. Cool. Next up we have a shampoo bar. And I got this for my husband. He usually uses the all-in-one body hair wash, manly man. I get one big jug of stuff and use it for everything kind of guy. And he doesn't have that much hair. Shh. he knows it because he shaves he clips his hair, but I thought this might be great for him. And shampoo bars don't really lather up, and a lot of people don't know that lather isn't necessary to clean your hair. So if you get a shampoo that's like higher quality and it doesn't have all the sulfates in it, it may not give you the big bushy, you know, big foamy lather that you're used to with some other shampoos. Lather does not indicate how clean your hair is. That's just an extra chemical for show and feel. But this says a really nice size bar. This would last a really long time. And it says, control and soften your locks with our Moroccan argan oil shampoo. Our argan oil, highly acclaimed for taming frizz and promoting soft to the touch hair, will help you maintain your tresses. I almost said breasts, like breasts, but breasts. I guess you can use the shampoo bar wherever you like. I'm not going to tell you different. If you use it on your breasts, then go ahead. But it maintains your tresses for a sleek, soft look. Packed with vitamin E, this oil helps seal and shine and creates a lush look with each wash. And when you purchase this product, a bar of soap is provided to someone in need, either locally or abroad. See where and how your purchase can impact another life by entering your unique HOPE code at soapboxes.com/hope. And there is a little code on the back. And that's really cool. I love stuff that gives back. Oh, here's a little, it says Force of Nature is our theme this month. Oh, late on that, aren't I? It says, whether you love your naked face or feel naked without your red lipstick, do what feels natural to you. When confidence is the first step in your routine, you can't be stopped. Confidence is the first step in my routine. You best believe it, buddy. And this just tells you 5 skin-friendly foods: avocados, chia seed, grapes, sweet potatoes, and leafy greens. Big deal. I knew that anyway. Next up is from, oh shoot, I even looked up what the name of this was. And it's from, this is the Haylighter from K-Voss. And this is a highlighter palette. And it is $36. And I've never heard of this company. It's a luminous highlighter palette. Let's take a look and see. Ooh. Oh, those are some pretty shades. They look like they're kind of soft. I'm not going to swatch them because I literally have probably 30 highlighters right now. So I don't need them, but somebody will appreciate this. I have a feeling, because there's nothing better than a good highlight. Ooh, bam! Look at that highlight, bam! And that highlight is from the Belgian Waffle palette by BH Cosmetics, which is a great highlighter palette. I used this one right here. And then there's one more thing after this. And then from The Balm, it's The Balm and the Beautiful eyeshadow palette. And the Never Ending Drama, clean beauty and green packaging. And it's called The Balm and the Beautiful. Let's see. Sometimes these sleeves are hard to get the eyeshadow palettes out of. I mean, I understand why they're doing the packaging and stuff. I don't mind cardboard packaging. And this is, once again, a nice, beautiful, neutral palette. And it looks like you can pop these pans right out and put them in a Z palette, which is great. And these are really beautiful colors. I'm not going to swatch it because I'm not going to keep it. It will be given away to one of my lovelies out there in the YouTube verse. This is very nice. And then my add-on this month, oh, and that was a $16 palette. So I forgot to enter in this I don't remember, but online. So this is my, okay, Rhonda, get it together. This is my add-on, and it is a deluxe sample of the Tatcha water cream, and I love Tatcha products. And this is full to the rim. I'm just gonna put that on the back of my hands. It smells delightful. And I love to put this on before my primer. I love to put a good moisturizer on before my primer. And if I haven't told you lately, because I don't think I have, make sure whenever you're putting a moisturizer on your face, take the extra and put it on the back of your hands so they don't age as quickly as they would without some moisturizer, because our hands and our necks shows our age like that. So that is my box. It said the IPSY Glam bag was $170 on the website, the value, but I'm gonna ring this up one more time and I'll have the number for you in just a second. All right, I'm back. And the value I added up because I went to the actual web pages and got the real value off of the web pages for what these items were. And I came up with $137 value, and IPSY said it was $170. So there's some discrepancies. And once again, let's go over what I got in my box. I got a beautiful balm palette, a really pretty highlighter palette, a shampoo bar, a bunch of pigments, and a really impressive brush set. So I think that's great. It's a $25 box, and I got $137 worth of stuff, which is very good, and I really enjoy that. I think this month's box is pretty good. I'm not complaining about it at all. So there. Have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.